Hi and welcome to another ridge preservation case with the smart Dentin grinder. In this case we are extracting a lower left hand side first molar, and we do it with a minimal approach in order to get the vestibular bundle bone safe and sound. It's also important to pay attention on the tooth itself. We want as much as tooth structure intact as possible. Then we clean it mechanically in the first run and place our cleaned tooth into the Dentin grinder. We grind it for 3 seconds, and additional sorting process of 20 seconds provide us with the Dentin Graft. Excess material is also captured underneath the first chamber. Whatever comes into the first chamber is then cleaned for 10 minutes with a Dentin cleanser solution. After the 10 minutes, a buffered saline is applied. No 3 minutes. Then we have our graft. Once more, the extraction side is mechanically cleaned in order to get the excessive blood out of the environment, and we place the graft, and then we have the surgical sutures in place. After 3 months, we have a new approach to the side, and while opening up we see vital bone. In this case we're placing a Champions implant by Champions Implant Germany Floenheim. In this case it's a 10 millimeter length, 4 millimeter width implant, and this implant is easily and safely placed into the grafted side. As you can see, there is blood coming out of the grafted side, and the post-operative X-ray shows the perfectly placed implant and the graft itself. Thank you for the attention and have a great one. Hi and welcome to another case of ridge preservation and the smart Dentin grinder. In this case, the lower left first molar had to be extracted, and we start off with a minimal approach in order to get the bundle bone clear and safe. It's also important to preserve as much tooth as possible. We clean it mechanically, and then we place it into the grinder. After 20 seconds, we got